Hello, my people. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Diamond Nikki in the palace. My people, what you get for house today? Now, Lady B billionaire. Oh. The saga they don't include Lady B billionaire for this saga, so they go bring Lady B billionaire husband. They even take Lady B billionaire father-in-law, bring her inside this problem. What did Lady B billionaire do? Because in as much as I see everything for social media, I don't see and say Lady B billionaire need to insult people. He need to write any negative comment for under any money he post where it concern any negativity. Lady B billionaire don't always mind in business inside social media. It no mean say when you go comment for under money post like keep doing it, keep vlogging, or keep doing you, it means say you support in negativity. One thing una get for know about we YouTubers, especially those where they come up where they never even reach 10,000 subscribers them. Each and every one of us will push our friend up. If you look under our comment section them, now only our friend YouTubers and they come cheer we up, they clap for we, they push we up. Why? Because each and every one of we, the war our friend their hand never come for up. So if Lady B billionaire it be under the Veshela platform, it no mean say Lady B billionaire the join for insult any man. Una get for understand this one. Beehive then yesterday, they don't find palabra so they enter inside Lady B billionaire personal life where no be correct. Me I never ever see Lady B billionaire enter some person private life, pick his husband, pick his father-in-law, pick his mother, can't talk about them. So certain things in the way we not even just get for cross boundary as far as it thing concern. Beehive una really do and sort of go right be Lady B billionaire his husband for his inbox, for his messenger, where they work. Now his husband the right to his wife say, well, no leave and make they kill you, oh, my sweetheart, no leave and make they kill you for me. For no nothing. I talk last week. If I say make all we will stop the thing. This saga they so one day so some person go just vex take a life for no good reason. Then una go clap, una go be happy. Say the man out of frustration and humiliation, a lot of humiliation where they come from social media, it take away a life, a precious life when God give you. Some of we get for understand say our warfare they no be carnal, but spiritual. In pulling down strongholds, we get for understand say no be na vloggers or motivational speakers or people there they comment under post be the problem. Na a spiritual problem. Some problem they no be physical. Na spiritual. I no be happy when I see the comments them. Yesterday, I go post them for here. They go bring Lady B billionaire, a husband, a papa. That's a father-in-law. They bring Lady B billionaire, a husband. They see go as far as writing Lady B billionaire, a husband. Why una dey involve these social media activists or vloggers their families them inside? Why una the one bring problem for some person in house? This girl is happily married. He live with husband peacefully. Why una the one make some problem or one thing happen for a family? Una go be happy. Okay, if una hear say lady be billionaire, master don't drive it for house, or they get problem, una she don't clap una hands them. Una be happy. Una be contented. So una don't do one. Make a young child. Una for una innermost mind. Una get picking them when they don't reach that age. And una expect some una picking them. They marry. May they marry their husband and they be happy with their husband. Not only marry, but may they live a happy life with their husband. Una not expect me their una picking a married and they divorce. Now the same way lady be billionaire, he don't marry a husband. Una they try for deprive it of a marriage at this point in time. And not to say the man the vex. The man not vex with the woman because you already know say the woman do social media. But what if the man way in the understand? What if the man way in the take any shit on a what if he be an illiterate man? You just can't the harass me this girl, this speaking for nothing. The cause she talk for it, make and say may stop with vlogging and seeing the way they do and for social media. I beg. Even they do the thing on a coach go up and down. You go find someone that stop am for the place where they. Una no carry and go for if person don't coach your mommy, coach your relative. Go coach the person mommy and a relative. No find person you never ever insult your husband, you never ever insult your family, you never ever insult none of your relative. You go carry own relative then bring am. Person that show we the small picking them. Which example una wan give we more follow am for one marry house them? Which example una wan give we more follow am? As small picking as young children when they grow up. What example? Now teach we more go through the right path. Even Bible say train up a child as he will go, so that when he is old, he will not depart from it. So as pikin, when mommy don't born pikin, no be na only that mommy one get the pikin. All man for society get pikin. In as much as lady be billionaire to na a child, a youth, una team una for righty. Una tell you say mommy, maybe we don't see and say you do the one. Una tell you own problem for your inbox. Even una coach for day, the pikin go understand, go respect that fact. So una righty. Una even tell you to his face. Ask lady be billionaire, it day for day. When it dey go wrong or it don't do something where me I see and where no dey fine for my eye, me at the right thing. I say for the place, I not like am, stop am, not do am again. Now so this social media community get for be. Una no get for make am be like say person no get right or you no get freedom of speech or you no get right for comment or you no get right for belong to a particular society or you know get right for be identified with some particular people. The fact say I feel the worker with A or B does not make me like A or B. The fact say I feel the comment under A or B post does not make me the person. They do not give me the have you put a me. I beg una help me. Do not give me that person attitude. Or do not make me insult the person. I feel to say well mommy, okay oh, all we go be alright. Okay oh. Some kind of comments them. You guys should go under people's pages and read her comments. Before una start the saga or una start finding a file or talk about the girl. Because I never ever see talk about person negatively. And I rest my case so I dey always talk that the truth and I analyze her. Maybe I analyze her my own way. See you see the beehive so. Beehive, una get for understand say no. There's a limit to everything. If it be say travel with grand diva, he don't bring una mommy or he don't talk insult una for any way. Una go travel with grand diva. for a platform. Una coachy, una insult it back, una give you wetin give una no come for innocent people where they never ever for their life insult una can't insult them, so una dey drag their family into the saga. Now rest my case. Thank una very much. Up to now, una dey watch this video. If una never subscribe, abeg una subscribe to my YouTube channel. And una like, share, drop your comment down below. Wetin una think? This saga don't over involve people. People their mommy, people their mommy them, people their husband them, people their fathers. Even their picking them when a precious gift from God. Una dey involve am for this saga. The high time una turn back to the ways of God. Una turn back to God. And the high time and the better all of us. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.